Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about isidentifier. What is the meaning of isidentifier? Isidentifier gives you the true value if that is going to be identifier, means there is any specific naming convention is given you, that is in a text form, numeric form, anything that is going to be written as a identifier. If there is identifier, then it is returns to true, that's a boolean value. If it is not identifier, it returns you false. Fine. So let's see. Text equal to is, sorry, I am writing here demo or whatever you have to write as your way. Text dot is identifier, then C, it returns you true because the text is identifier, that's why it returns you for true. If you write only alphabet this and it is returns you an identifier, it's a true. It is not identifier because it is a collection of some non-numeric characters. If it is collection of 1 2 3 4, then it returns you numeric, that is also false. If you go for the numeric with characters, it is also going to return you false. And if it is only remove these numbers and added at the end, see what happened, true. Why? The identifiers only, there is some naming convention there. The beginnings will be the characters, here no special characters. Beginnings will be the characters with, then comes to the numeric value. Beginnings will be character with underscore also. If you give in as a underscore, it also allowed you. Fine, it also allowed you. Yes, it returns you true. Excluding this underscore, if you add another dollar sign, any symbol, then it returns you false. You understand? The identifier looks like a same as a declaration of variables. Fine, declarations of variables. When you run it, it returns you true. Now it's your time. Type on the comment box which are the identifiers, which are not identifier, which are I am going to show you in this particular video. I see if there is a any comment comes out, I will tap and like that comment. Fine. Please like this video and share with your friends. It will help you, help them. Please subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon. When I upload any future videos, you get the notifications. Thank you.